So hello friend, welcome back to my channel. This is Vakas and you're watching Vakas Tech. In this video I am going to show you how to get clean charging mode option on any iPhone. Let me show you the image. As you can see, this image showing clean energy charging on iPhone, but in my case you can see appears on screen. This is my iPhone 8 and right now it's running on iOS 16.1. So let me show you. Open iPhone setting. In setting, go back and open battery section. As you can see, battery section. Okay, you can see appears on screen. In my case there are no clean charging option showing here in my iPhone right now. So how to turn it on, how to get that option? Just go back and then open your iPhone setting again. In setting you need to search general option. As you can see showing general option, tap on that. After tapping that you need to scroll down and you can see appears on screen language and region showing here. Just tap on that. In my case this is selected on Pakistan. Tap on that and change into United States. As you can see, okay, you need to change to United States. Don't worry, it will not lose any data by changing the region. Now go back again, tap on setting and now tap on battery section again. Tap on battery health. Okay, you can see appears on screen, it's showing clean energy charging. So friends, by doing that you can easily get that option in your any iPhone. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. Thanks for watching.